Welcome to the Tasks dashboard in your Docyt app, where managing your financial tasks is made simpler and more efficient. Let's explore what you can do here. First, tap on the Tasks icon. This is where you'll find key activities waiting for your attention. One of your main tasks here is to review flagged transactions. It's essential to keep an eye on these to maintain the accuracy of your financial records. Quickly review and address any discrepancies to ensure your accounts are always up to date. Next, you have the Finish Setup task. This one-time setup lays the foundation for your financial management in Docyt. Follow the prompts to accurately set up your business profile, ensuring all details are correct and current. Another vital task is Disconnected Accounts. This keeps your financial data flowing seamlessly into Docyt. Regularly check and update these connections to ensure uninterrupted access to your financial information. Tap the Reconnect hyperlink to easily reconnect your financial institution. Lastly, there's the Disconnected QuickBooks task. For those using QuickBooks Online, this feature ensures your Docyt and QBO accounts are perfectly synchronized. Regular maintenance here is key to efficient financial management. And that's a brief overview of the Tasks dashboard in your Docyt app, designed to keep your financial management tasks organized and controlled. Thank you for choosing Docyt.